So welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to install the Cisco Stealthwatch. So in Stealthwatch you do have three different devices. One is Stealthwatch management console, another one is NetFlow collector, and another one is NetFlow sensor. So if I go back to click on new template, click on next, and if you go to the firewall, you can see that one is NetFlow collector, another one is flow sensor, and the another one is management console. These are the three different things. So we are going to, mostly you will be dealing with the management console and flow collector, so I'm going to install management console and flow collector in this video. So cancel this one. So first what you have to do is that you have to transfer that file, because it's a heavy file. Almost both of these files are around one file is management console is around 5.5 GB and flow collector is about 3.5 GB. So I will just transfer this file to my GNS3 VM, both of them, and it will take time to transfer this one. So I will just pause the video and come back again. Right, so files have been transferred. So I will go back to my GNS. I will click on firewalls, click on new template, click on next, and I will go to firewall. So first I'm going to install the Stealthwatch management console. Click on, select that one and click on install. Click next, next, and it will show you the list of supported versions over here. Right, so you can see that it is showing that list of version. But if I go back to my FileZilla, and you can see that my version is 7.3, and I do not have this 7.3 over here. So what I will do, I will just go back to my FileZilla and copy this name. Click on rename, copy the name, come back to GNS3 and click on create a new version, and I will say that this one will be 7.3. click OK, and I will just paste the ISO image name. Click on OK, click on OK, and you can see that it is saying that ready to be installed. So this one mt200.gqcow2 is been I have downloaded when I was installing the ICE, so that's the reason it has automatically detected that file. If you are not able to detect that file, just select this one of the above version, and click on download. So select the 7.3, click on next, click yes, and click on finish, click OK. So now you can see that Stealthwatch management console has been installed. So similarly we will go ahead and install the NetFlow collector. Click on next, go to the firewall, select NetFlow collector, click on install, click on next, click on next, and my NetFlow collector version is also 7.3, so I will click on create new version, and I will say that it is also 7.3. click OK, and it is asking for me ISO image name, so I will go back to my FileZilla, copy the file name, and I will just paste it over here. Click on OK, click on OK, and you can see that it is saying me it is ready to be installed. Click on next, yes, and finish OK, and you can see that NetFlow collector has been also installed. So I will just do a right click over here, click on start, and get the console, and you can see that my console has been started. And if I go to the configure, so by default it is taking 8 GB of RAM and 3 virtual CPUs. Right, so if I go to the console, it will take time to load the thing. I will just do the right click and click on configure, and you can see that for NetFlow collector it is taking 8 GB of RAM and 2 virtual CPUs. So click on OK, right click, start, and get the console, and now you can see that I am able to start my devices. So both of them are here, and both of them are started and they are working. So this is how you're gonna install your Stealthwatch management console and NetFlow collector in GNS3. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.